Welcome to another Exness tutorial video. Today we will show you how to register a new Exness account with a personal area, and how to open new trading accounts. To begin, visit our website and click on Register. Enter your country of residence. This cannot be changed and impacts which payment systems are available in your personal area. Enter the email address you want to register this personal area to. Create a password, following the special requirements. The password must be 8 to 15 characters long, include uppercase and lowercase letters, and include a combination on numbers and characters. Trading account passwords must contain one of these special characters. You will use this email and password to access your personal area. If you have a partner code, there's an optional step here to enter it and link your account to the Exness Partnership Program. Entering an incorrect partner code will clear the entry field so that you can try again. You must also tick the box to declare and confirm you are not a citizen or resident of the US. Click Continue, and you will be taken to the personal area or the partner's personal area. Now let's look at how to create more trading accounts in your new personal area. Click Open New Account from the My Accounts area. The MT5 account options will be displayed by default, but you can click here to choose MT4. Click Continue once you have made your selection. Complete the fields with the leverage, currency, account nickname, and create a password. Click Create an account to continue. You can open a demo account to try virtual trading. A sum of $10,000 is automatically credited to your demo account. To make a deposit, complete the verification steps. When the documents are approved, the personal area will show that the account is complete. You can now deposit and withdraw using your account. Thank you for choosing Exness.